Hello, this is my Lego Ninjago character that is a clock.
And what is his name?
Zane.
Zane. So here is Zane. Can you turn him around?
Don't fall.
It's also an alarm clock.
Yeah.
Alright, turn him again.
It can light up.
Cool. When you...
And it can move its arms.
Yeah.
And it can move its feet. It can sit down. His arms can do this. And his arms can go backwards.
Cool, what do you think of this clock?
Good. I got this on Children's Day.
Yeah, you get it on International Children's Day, which is, do you remember?
June 3rd.
June 1st.
Oh. Okay.
Do we recommend this clock?
Yes.
Do we want to show the alarm?
Yes. So you activate this. And good.
Okay. Alright, thank you, Matthew.
It alarms at 9 o'clock.
Right, well, you would have to set it up for whatever time it is right now for it to start ringing.
About 5:25.
Okay.
This is not working. Technical difficulties.
Alright, I'll help you figure it out later.
Hold on, maybe you have to turn the alarm. Oh wait, I turned it off. Okay, so they're not working. Maybe turn it off. And then say alarms set in time.
It's okay, honey. I will help you later.
Okay.
Anyway, the alarm works. We have it set up for 9 o'clock for Matthew on the weekends, right?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.